Kakirhun Menteri hak ar pesantren ujimang arja arpuar kalashir me karai ber Pynkiew ya Dor jong kani ki Dor Kyiad hak jala Meghalaya. Habekrem kla pathai khubor harim lawa ke jelang okandret ulai thu bagade kanyara ban kinti ka khajana jong ka jala.
The government has also decided that there will be reclassification of category of brands for IMFL. So amendments to ad valorem, amendment to the MVAT on liquor, amendment to rules 4410 of the Meghalaya bonded warehouse rules, etc. So basically the point is that in the past few months we have seen that the rates have been changed in other states, especially neighboring states. So in interest of ensuring that we get more revenue, we have reclassified the different brands and also increased the price on some of them. It's a long list, but all it means is that alcohol will get slightly more expensive. But at the end of the day, because there has been a increase in the rates in the neighboring states also, we will also end up earning approximately 25 plus crores additional revenue through this decision that we have taken today.